Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty products you're curious about and separate the hype from what actually works. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tarte Park Ave Princess Cream Cheek Duo, a cream-based cheek product designed to give a natural, buildable finish, available in a medium to tan shade. Right out of the box, the duo comes in a sleek, travel-friendly compact with two cream formulas, one for a subtle flush of color and the other for a soft, sculpted contour effect. As a cream product, it promises a natural finish that blends seamlessly into the skin, making it ideal for those who prefer a dewy, skin-like texture over powder. When I tested it, application was straightforward. Using fingertips or a synthetic brush, the cream glides smoothly and layers well without feeling sticky or heavy. The medium to tan shade is versatile, complementing a variety of warm undertones, and it really allows for buildable intensity. You can go from a light daytime glow to a more defined look for evenings. The texture itself is creamy but not greasy, and it blends effortlessly, giving the cheeks a soft, radiant finish. One of the strengths of this duo is how customizable it is. I found it particularly effective when layering over a light moisturizer or primer, as it adhered beautifully without pilling. On the downside, cream products like this can be tricky if you have very oily skin, as they might require a bit of setting powder to last through the day. The compact size is great for travel, though I did notice the mirror is a bit small if you're trying to do precise contouring on the go. In terms of pros, the product excels in texture, blendability, and the natural radiant finish. It's easy to control coverage and gives a fresh, lit-from-within look. On the flip side, it may require some touch-ups in very humid conditions or for those with oilier skin types, and the mirror could be slightly more practical. For value, considering the high-quality cream formula, versatility, and the dual-function compact, it feels fairly priced. Compared to other cream, blush, and contour duos on the market, Tarte holds its own with pigmentation that's buildable but never overwhelming, and the longevity is solid for a cream product. While some high-end brands may offer similar shades, the ease of blending and natural finish here give it an edge. The packaging feels sturdy, with a compact that protects the cream and travels well. I haven't had reason to interact with customer support for this product, but Tarte generally has a reliable reputation for addressing inquiries. If you're looking for alternatives at a lower price point, there are other cream blush and contour duos available, but few match the blendability and finish of this one. So it's worth considering if you value ease of use and a natural look. Overall, the Tarte Park Ave Princess Cream Cheek Duo delivers on its promise of a natural, buildable cream cheek product. It's best suited for those who enjoy creamy textures and want a soft, radiant finish with the flexibility to layer intensity. It doesn't completely replace powder for very oily skin, but for most users, it's a delightful addition to a daily routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this duo, drop a comment below and share your experience. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.